Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Berikut ini ada kalimat-kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris yang sering kita dengar di sekolah. Kalian bisa menikmati video ini sambil rebahan ya. Let's check it out. Is everybody ready to start? Is everybody ready to start? Apakah semua sudah siap untuk memulai? What do we have for the first period? What do we have for first period? Apa jadwal pelajaran pertama kita? Let's begin today's lesson. Let's begin today's lesson. Mari kita mulai pelajaran hari ini. Can you help me with the mathematics homework? Can you help me with the mathematics homework? Bisakah kamu membantu PR matematikaku? What time do we have lunch? What time do we have lunch? Jam berapa kita makan siang? How did you get the answer? How did you get that answer? How did you get that answer? Bagaimana kamu mendapatkan jawaban? Did you bring your lunch? Did you bring your lunch? Apakah kamu membawa makan siangmu? What did you have at lunch today? What did you have at lunch today? Apa makan siangmu hari ini? How do you come to school? How do you come to school? How do you come to school? Kamu ke sekolah naik apa? I go to school by foot. I go to school by foot. Aku pergi ke sekolah jalan kaki. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Aku pergi ke sekolah naik bis. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. Bel sudah berbunyi. Let's hurry up. Let's hurry up. Ayo cepat. Have you finished? Have you finished? Apakah kamu sudah selesai? We are fine, thank you. We are fine, thank you. Kami baik-baik saja, terima kasih. It's great to see you again. It's great to see you again. It's great to see you again. Senang bertemu kalian lagi. I'm sorry I'm late. I am sorry I am late. Maaf, saya terlambat. May I come in? May I come in? May I come in? Bolehkah saya masuk? Yes, please, you may go to your place. Yes, please, you may go to your place. Ya, silakan, kamu boleh ke tempatmu. May I open the window? May I open the window? Bolehkah saya membuka jendela? Collect your work, please. Collect your work, please. Silahkan kumpulkan tugasmu. What day is today? Hari ini hari apa? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Silahkan angkat tanganmu. What date is today? What date is today? What date is today? Hari ini tanggal berapa? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? Sudahkah kamu mengerjakan PR? Open your book on page 5. Open your book on page 5. Buka bukumu pada halaman 5. Teacher, may I ask you a question? Teacher, may I ask you a question? Pak Guru, bolehkah saya bertanya? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Saya tidak mengerti. Do you get it? Do you get it? Do you get it? Apa kalian mengerti? Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Apa kalian mengerti? Close your book. Close your book. Close your book. Tutup bukumu. Who isn't here today? Who isn't here today? Who isn't here today? Siapa yang tidak hadir hari ini? Do you have any question? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Apa kamu ada pertanyaan? Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Siapa yang tahu jawabannya? Now I'm going to ask you some question. Now I'm going to ask you some question. Now I'm going to ask you some questions. Sekarang saya akan bertanya beberapa. Please raise your hand if you know the answer. Please raise your hand if you know the answer. Silakan angkat tanganmu jika tahu jawabannya. Try to answer by yourself. Try to answer by yourself. Try to answer by yourself. Coba kerjakan sendiri. Say it in a loud voice. Say it in a loud voice. Say it in a loud voice. Ngomong yang nyaring. As I said earlier. As I said earlier. Seperti yang sudah saya bilang sebelumnya. Don't worry, I'm sure you'll do better next time. Don't worry, I'm sure you'll do better next time. Don't worry, I'm sure you'll do better next time. Jangan khawatir, aku yakin kamu bisa lebih baik kok lain kali. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. Jangan banyak alasan. I'll be back in a moment. I'll be back in a moment. I'll be back in a moment. Saya akan kembali sebentar lagi. It's time to finish now. It's time to finish now. Waktunya telah usai. We've run out of time. We've run out of time. Kita kehabisan waktu. It's tidy up time. Waktunya berkemas. Pack up your books. Pack up your books. Rapikan bukumu. Don't forget to bring your book tomorrow. Don't forget to bring your book tomorrow. Don't forget to bring your book tomorrow. Jangan lupa besok bawa buku kalian ya. That's all for today. That's all for today. That's all for today. Itu saja dulu untuk hari ini. See you again next Monday. See you again next Monday. Sampai jumpa lagi di sini depan. Have a good holiday. Have a good holiday. Have a good holiday. Selamat berlibur.